Okay, so next one is from Noel Cuenta. Open natin. Kaya yata naka... There. Oh, meron dalang plastic, which is awesome. Thank you, Sir Noel. Naka-tape lang. Hate this, but you know, it's for our own good. So I appreciate the extra thought security. So yes, we have this one, the Tomy or Takara Tomy 79 series Land Cruiser. It's a Land Rover. Okay, open natin. Yun, so we have, he called this a custom Dodge from Revel. Same dun sa red natin, red pa rin to or maroon. But this is custom because parang splinash ng paint. Yes. Zoom, okay, yun. Merong konting gasgas yung windows. Tsaka yung gilid ng fender here. But still okay. Kahit custom siya, walang paint yung front. There. Parang naka-open to. Still okay. There, mga gas-gas. But again, still very okay. Emboss yung ano niya. Hindi engrave yung logo sa likod. Tailgate. So yeah, overall, okay pa rin. Let's check the prices of this later. Now for this. Cheating! Wow! Expedition Land Rover. Hindi to siya sealed, loose item, pero by the looks of it, super mint. Yep, walang gas-gas. Mud studs. Range Rover pala siya, hindi siya Land Rover. But Land Rover brand, Goodrich. So there you go. Yes. Now for the main event of this third batch is our Land Cruiser. Yes. Takara. Scale 179, hindi siya 64. So, and hindi din siya sealed talaga. Probably this is open condition. Tadadang! Parang color dark blue siya. Color dark blue. Ooh. Yep, di siya sealed. So, it's already been likabok na. Need some washing. dark blue. So here, ano bang color to? Dark blue talaga. So, tama. Okay. Ito real glass talaga yung headlights niya. Tsaka yung chrome. There's a good amount of details there. Sa grills at tsaka bumper. Ayos. Ayos. That's really good to know. There. Sensya na kayo, hindi maganda mag-focus yung phone ko. Yes. Alright. Solid din yung ano niya sa likod. What do you call this? Parang roll bar. But you can't see behind. So, yun. Yung bed space niya, malikabok. Even the rear taillights niya merong color. So, that's a good one. So, this is a Tomica, made in Vietnam. Land Cruiser 70 series. I have latest Hilux Tomica then. What I don't like about the Tomica is yung wheels nila. Super simple, mediocre. But yeah, you can open the doors on this one. You can see right hand drive pala ito. It has the shift. Okay. Open mo dyan. At saka yes, this is a 4x4 model. Kita mo yung maliit na daw dyan. Yes. Okay. Tsaka meron siyang rear view mirror. Naka-emboss windshield. So, yep, that's it. That's it for the batch. This is a 2014 edition. Let's get to the prices. Alright, so here's the prices na guys. For the Range Rover, I only got this for 100 pesos. Again, this is a loose edition but very mint. No damage, no scratches siya. So, no box din, not sealed. So, this 100. For the Ram Rebel, this is for this is way cheaper. This is for 80 pesos. Not really bad for the condition niya. Custom. Though I don't really like custom, especially this kind of custom work, yung decals or paint niya. But for 80 pesos, I have another pickup in the collection. Okay na. Okay na, I'm happy. Now for the main car of our collection. Because usually guys, when I order something I really like, I just buy other cars that I like para hindi lugi sa shipping. So this is the main car that I bought from this seller. And I just bought the others para hindi lugi sa shipping. And this one was sold at 120 pesos, which is very, very good deal as well. Some of these are being sold for 500 because mga realistic cars and tulad nito, Land Cruisers, they're very popular. So, madali itong mabili. And some of them are selling them na mahal. Okay? So, that's it guys. Yeah, for this, I think total nito is just 300 pesos. 300 pesos. It's free. Just like with the second batch natin. So this is the third batch. Second batch is 450 pala yan. So not bad. Again, thank you for watching. See you in the next batch unboxing.